Hi, I'm Amy Brown, and I'm the True Identity Trainer at Thrive Relational Skills Training. And so we wanted to talk to you a little bit today about true identity, the flex track. So what is true identity? Why should you plan to take it? And when should you plan to take it? These are all really great questions. True Identity is the newest track of Thrive Training, and it's designed to help you build a stronger attachment to God and to train your brain to experience a new and refreshing normal in 7 key areas of your life. These 7 essential areas are to restart my brain's normal, to set it to appreciation, eating, using food to build my joy, resting, inserting rest into my life, praying, interacting with God and Emmanuel in a life-giving way, belonging, keeping my relationships big even when things are tough, playing, adding play to my life and relationships, and giving, learning to live from the generous heart that Jesus gave us. But one of the most interesting and exciting things about True Identity Track is how flexible it is. There's no preparation needed and no bonded partner required. So anybody can come to True Identity and you can sign up even at the last minute because there's no preparation involved. You can join the True Identity Track at any time in your journey through the Thrive training. So you can do it before, during, or after tracks 1, 2, and 3. You can do it as a standalone track if you're not going to be able to come for tracks 1, 2, and 3. And even though there is no pre-track preparation needed, the skills and the exercises are robust enough to provide opportunity for growth, even if you're a track 3 alumni or a pastor, counselor, therapist, or even a seminary professor like we had last summer. So we have people from some of those categories to join us and talk about their testimony today, because we've seen that people leave with new insights and a refreshing perspective on life. So rather than me continuing to describe True Identity to you, let's look at some testimonies of people who attended True Identity at a variety of spots in their life and in the Thrive training journey.